There's something special about a traditional Goan pork roast, the kind that fills your home with irresistible aromas and brings everyone to the table. Let's start preparing it. The first step to the delicious pork roast is to prepare the marinade. So all you have to do is grind all the spices mentioned on the screen with a good amount of soaked tamarind to get a smooth red paste. Now that the paste is ready, it's time to prep the meat. So here I've taken 1 kg of pork. I'm going to season it with some salt, little bit of turmeric powder and around 1 to 2 whole Maggi cubes. Now be careful while using the salt here because you don't want the pork to get very salty. Then goes in 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar and the red marinade paste that we have prepared. The next step is to make sure that the pork pieces absorbs the marinade well. Give everything a really good mix. Now comes the fun part. Use a fork and start to poke the pieces. This will make sure that it gets a bit tender and it absorbs the marinade even better. Wrap it up and let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. The following day, it's time to cook the meat. So heat some oil in a pressure cooker, add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, sliced onions, and then give everything a good mix and cook it until it becomes brown in color. Add in the marinated pork pieces, give it a gentle stir and allow it to cook on medium to high flame for 5 to 10 minutes on one side. After about 10 minutes, rotate the pieces and allow it to cook on the other side for another 10 minutes on medium to high flame. Then goes in 1.5 cup of water. I've used the leftover marinade with it. Give it a gentle stir, cover and let it pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles depending upon how tender your pork is. After pressure cooking, transfer it onto a chopping board and cut thick slices. Once the slices are cut and ready, we need to simmer it again in the leftover gravy so that all the slices absorb the flavors well. Transfer the cut pieces back into the gravy and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame until it becomes thick. And there you have it. Delicious Goan pork roast is ready to be served and devoured. Do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section how it turns out for you. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe now. Stay tuned because there are more interesting recipes dropping very soon.